It just feels like babies get way too many vaccines too fast. Their bodies are so tiny.
Oh, I get that. It can feel really overwhelming. So it's like, there's so little and it just feels like a lot all at once. Is that what you mean?
Yes. And my baby's appointment is coming up, so I can't stop thinking about it.
Of course. When it's right around the corner, it's impossible not to spiral a little. And it's totally okay to have questions. You're trying to do the right thing for your baby. What part is looping in your head the most? The number of shots? Side effects? Or just the unknown?
The unknown. Like, how do I know it's okay?
Yeah. So it's not that you don't want to protect your baby, you just want to feel sure you're not doing too much too soon. Did I get that?
Exactly.
That makes so much sense. Would it be okay if I shared what helped me understand why doctors give our little babies those vaccines?
Yes, please.
What I learned is that babies' immune systems actually handle new germs all the time just from being in the world, even at home. Vaccines are kind of a way to give their immune system practice safely before they're exposed to diseases that can be really dangerous for infants, like whooping cough or meningitis. And most side effects are things like fussiness or a mild fever, basically signs their immune system is responding. Healthychildren.org has a really calm explanation that made me feel better. I can send it.
That would help. I think I just need something calmer than social media.
Totally. And you don't have to figure it all out today. You're just gathering what you need.